welcome back once again to my channel. Did you guys liked my videos on Thai home and Thai language? Liked it? Okay, so today I'm gonna bring you a new topic here. I'm gonna learn Manipuri. Let me tell you what. In my school, my principal was a Manipuri, my chemistry teacher was a Manipuri, my physics teacher from class 9 to 10 was a Manipuri, my PT teacher was also a Manipuri. But let me tell you what, I didn't get to learn even a single word from them. But I do know that Manipuri says mom and dad as Ima and Ipo. Yeah, Ima and Ipo. So today I'm gonna make a video upon Manipuri language. I want to learn at least all the northeastern languages, basic phrases. I mean sentences like who are you, what are you doing, how old are you, and where are you, what is your name, sentences like this. They are the basic phrases, isn't it? So I want to learn Manipuri language for today's video. How to say 5 sentences in Manipuri. They are who are you, what is your name, from where are you, how are you, and what are you doing. I will speak this out. Okay, so first is who are you is Nang Kanano. Who are you is Nang Kanano.
Nang kanano.
What is your name is Nangi Ming Kari Kauge. Nangi Ming Kari Kauge. What is your name? Nangi Ming Kari Kauge.
Nangi Ming
Nangi
Kari
Ming Kari
Kauge.
Kauge. Third one is from where are you? From where are you is Nang Kari Lamdagino. Nang Kari Lamdagino. Nang Kari Lamdagino.
Nang Kari Lamdagino.
4 is how are you? How are you is Nung ai ribo. Nung ai ribo. Nung ai ribo. Nung ai ribo. Yeah.
Nungai ribo.
Then what are you doing is Nang Kari Taurige. Nang Kari Taurige.
Nang Kari Taurige.
I'll try to speak these sentences without looking at this time. Okay. Who are you is who are you? I forgot. Who are you is Nang Kanano. How are you is Nungai Ribo. Yeah, right. What are you doing is Nang Kari Taurige. Nang Kari Taurige. Nang Kari Taurige. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you liked my video today on this Manipuri language. I hope I will be able to make other videos on other languages as well. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for all the comments that you left behind in the comment section of Thai home language and Thai language that I made a comparison between, and a whole other video on Thai home as well. So I hope you liked this video also, and please share it if you like it. Please like it. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it, and don't forget to watch my videos and share my videos. Thank you for watching my video today. Bye bye.